One of our biggest partners that we do a lot of titles for is Mannheim Auto Auctions, and according to their stats, the used car supply is starting to improve. Dealers are having more access to inventory for their lots. There's more cars coming through the lanes at the auctions. And even though prices, according to the auction, are stable right now, there's indications that the prices may start to slow, meaning that there may be reductions in values of vehicles. What that means is if you're a vehicle seller, if you have a car that is extra that you want to sell, now might be the time to sell it, because the values may start to drop down according to predictions in the marketplace. Having more inventory is good for buyers because you have more cars to choose from, maybe some more negotiating points. We talked to a dealership earlier today that for their new cars, they're starting to see a little bit more inventory sitting on the ground that's available for sale. It used to be that any time a vehicle was coming in for shipment, it was pre-sold before it hit the ground. Now we're starting to see some vehicles, cars and trucks, that are unsold, hit the ground, and maybe stay on the lot for a few days. These are new cars. Used cars, because there's now more inventory, you may start seeing dealerships having a lot full of cars again, especially in the used car department. There may not be a full lot, but at least it's not going to be empty with cars parked sideways to make it look like they're covered up. You're also going to see prices ease a little bit to where they're not selling for way over book value. And this could help used car buyers. Keep an eye on our channel as we monitor this. Let us know what you're seeing in your area. Are prices coming down? Are the lots getting more full? If you're a dealer, what are you seeing from the inventory standpoint of having your lot staffed with vehicles?